Hey, looky here, what a fabulous day we got going on for us. Ooh, mercy sakes, great balls of fire. They've been saying on the weather, oh, it's going to rain, it's going to rain, it's going to rain. But you know what? It's not raining. It's above 60, it's close to 70. I'm loving this day. So yesterday we got to the point on my shed here where we were talking about doors. And my thinking on doors here, and I'm gonna kind of woggle your angle around a little bit, and I'm gonna put you down, but I'm gonna try to keep talking to you as I walk around and talk about these here doors. My thinking on these doors is we don't need doors that open and close really easily, because I don't plan to keep this door closed when I'm using the boat or when I'm here even. The only thing I plan to do is to have it so that when I leave, it's pretty hard to steal my boat. And what I have is I have a couple of these racks. These are racks that I got from Bobby. And this one looks like it's about half the size of this door. And the one on the trailer over here looks like it's about half the size of that door. Let me get it for you. We'll talk about it some. I think these two are about the same size, but I'm about to find out for sure. Well, that's good. See, these two racks are both about that big. Now, what I could do is bring them both over so that they kind of meet in the middle. And then you'll notice that on either side, there's a little odd angle. My thinking is, rather than trying to hinge these, because if you hinged that on this straight post, then it'd be hitting the roof out here, and if you hinged it out there on that one, it'd be digging into the ground over here. So if I leave it just like that, and I make a little triangular section here, and I have it where they join in the middle, and a little triangular section here, and then I put tin on that, I could have it, put a couple of handles on there where I could walk up to it, pick it up, move it around the side, and prop it up against the side of the building. And when I got ready to leave, I could connect it up top and run a bar through the middle of it, or a chain across it, something that's anchored really well on either side. And it would be kind of difficult to get in there without tearing loose whatever I'm going to build to hold it all in place. So my plan is to build something somewhat substantial to hold it all in place. I got some big heavy chain in there, and I'm thinking, well, if I put a steel pipe in the ground full of concrete over here and one over here, and I ran a chain behind there, and I ran it, through whatever I'm going to make here, and then up top, if I ran a piece of metal with some, something to sit those up onto, and had it where I could lock that into place, then it'd make it a little harder to break into there. So that's kind of what I'm going to work on today. And the first thing I'm going to do is just shoot some screws up in the top so that I have these two things hanging there. So I'm going to just do that right now. That gives me a chance to look at it, think about it, make a plan as to where and how I want to go from there. So I will open the door, so to speak, and grab me some screws, and we'll just kind of do that. Let's see what we think.